It's Tuesday, February 13th, the day before Valentine's Day, Fat Tuesday. It's all today, all today. I am excited. We've had this yarn before, and some people have loved it. It's lovely for garments, but it's really lovely for baby blankets and baby things because it is so soft. And there's a pattern that takes one skein of a solid and one skein of a rainbow, and that's all. And you use the two skeins and you make this adorable baby blanket. And it's called Sliding is Fun. So what you do is you cast on with the rainbow color, and then you knit across and over, and then you on a circular needle, and then you slide all your stitches to the other end, and then you cast on the solid and you knit over and back, and then you slide it again and turn. So you're sliding all the time, and you get this amazing, almost brioche looking baby blanket. How cute is that? I mean, it's adorable. Absolutely adorable. It's about 24 inches by 29 inches. It's great for a stroller or a car seat or a carrier. I mean, it's just adorable, and it's so simple. So simple. So let me show you the color choices. We have kitted it up. The kit includes the rainbow yarn, the solid, and the pattern, right? And the kit is $57, all done for you. So I want to show you the colors that we've kitted up. Obviously, the first one is the navy blue, and this is called Tropical Sunset. So you can't have the exact solid color in this or it wouldn't show up. So these two complement each other well, and it gives you this great blanket that I just showed you. So we have this one, and then we have, for a girl, we have this beautiful pink in the I'm sorry, did I tell you this was Cumulus? It is Cumulus by Juniper Moon, and this is the rainbow and this is the solid. So sorry, so excited I forgot what I was talking about. All right, so the pink goes with this one, and the pink that's in this is paler than the pink we have paired it with. So that will make a beautiful baby pinky blanket for a little girl. Then we have this one. This is not really a rainbow. It's called a Degrade. So it's grays into the black. But what do you think we paired with that? Red, of course. Black and white and red all over. So boyish, so cute, so fun. All right, and then we have this one is called Crystal Cove. And in the very center, there's a pale lavender, but this is a brighter purple. So it's these two paired together. So the Cumulus Rainbow and the Cumulus from Juniper Moon. There we go, like that. All right, $57 for the pair. We also did turquoise with this really amazing prismatic kaleidoscope. Love that one. Woo! So colorful, so fun. There's blue in here, but it's not this blue, right? Love that, bright and happy. And last but not least, a real boy one, which is this beautiful Toucan Bay or baby blue with Pacific Sky. Love it. Love, love, love it. So $57 gets you the pattern and the two skeins of yarn. You cast it on, you slide it over, and life is good. It's all knitting, all knitting. So easy. If you have a baby present you need, or you want one to just do and have ready, you got it right here. The Sliding is Fun baby blanket, right? Yay! All right, thank you, Diane, for knitting my sample. All right. Tomorrow is, we have one more day to do the gift certificate for yourself, the $100, and then get a $25 in addition. or a 50 and get a 15 in addition. One more day, it's good through tomorrow evening. All right. I think that's all I have for you today. I have found in my lipstick stash, I've found a, it's on a stick, and it's more of a stain, which is perfect. And if it dries, it doesn't get on my teeth or on my, whatever it is, guard. Anyway, not that you care, but I'm back to wearing some color. Yay. All right. I think that's all I know today. I will see you tomorrow on Valentine's Day, and it's Ash Wednesday. Wow. Okay. Have a good night.